Unfortunate. It's how the National Works Agency's communications manager, Stephen Shaw, has described comments that the agency is not doing a good job managing roadworks in the corporate area. However, he still agrees that there are areas where the NWA has fallen short. TVJ's Kirk Wright reports.
Hagley Park Road in St. Andrew was open to two-way traffic on Monday, but a check by our newsroom revealed safety hazards remain for pedestrians and motorists. They include uneven sidewalks and this barely covered manhole in the middle of the road close to the Waltham Park Road intersection. Another manhole which is not properly covered is close to the Hagley Park Prep School. But just as serious are exposed steels used to construct curb walls. Vice Principal for the Hagley Park Prep School, Angela Tate, says she has been speaking to parents about the safety hazards.
Fortunately for us, most of our students are picked up. They don't really traverse the area alone, and those that do, we have two securities at the gate, a warden that crosses the students and try to get them on a safe path, and we also have a gate security.
So you're saying there's no possibility of a student?
There is. I can't say there is no, because children are active and things will happen.
Closer to 3 miles, another manhole is so high in the road it could create problems for motorists, especially at nights. While on location, this sign was casually placed near it to warn unsuspecting motorists. Operator of the Hose Assembly and Supplies, Janet Grant, is concerned about the safety of people getting over these medians.
But my concern is that the length of the median is too long. There should be some more openings for you to have easier access to the other side of the road. In addition, at the bus stop here, you can see there's nowhere for the bus to pull in or any vehicle, traffic to pull in.
Recently, the NWA faced criticisms about its management of the roadworks. Manager of Communication and Customer Service at the entity, Stephen Shaw, says some of the negative comments are unfortunate.
From their own standpoint, they may think that they are being reasonable. But from where I sit and knowing some of the things that I do, I know that some of the comments really come out of persons being ignorant.
But Mr. Shaw says people are exposed to some risks because they operate in the same space where the work is taking place. But he says he's constantly in touch with the workers on the ground, asking them to limit the safety risks to motorists and pedestrians. We asked if poor management at the ground level is then to be blamed.
I would leave that question to be answered by my superiors. I know what happens on the ground. I know the challenges that there are, and there have been quite a bit. I mean, as I said earlier, when you're treating with 3 or 4 projects in one, you're going to have some issues.
Mr. Shaw says by late October, the project should be closer to be completed. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.